When it comes to motorbikes, everything is a copy of a copy of a copy. Nobody dares to break the rules. Nobody. Until now. We decided to go our way. We didn't want to make an EV bike that was just another improvisation out of an ICE bike, but an invention in itself. An EV bike with gears. When everyone said it's impossible, we shifted the gears of paradigm. We remained solid in our resolve to make our own liquid cooling technology and nothing else. We challenged the engineering paradoxes and raced away from this herd mentality that fast bikes cannot be economical. Who says a sensible bike cannot be a fun ride? We burnt the midnight oil to make oil a thing of the past. But more than most, we kept asking ourselves, why can't we Indians make a motorbike of the future right here, right now? Introducing Matter, the 22nd century motorbike.